All right, we're gonna do a video with Ruby, and we also have Liz out. Liz is going to be practicing staying on the bed like a good girl. Look how pretty she is. And then tomorrow I'll do a video with just Liz, but this is kind of her big test. I want to train another dog around her and see if she can stay on that bed with another dog running around and getting fed. And I'm gonna periodically come by and reward Liz for staying on her bed also. But let's, just a second. Come on, Liz. Good girl. Here, we're gonna move you. So there we go. There, good girl. Good girl. So that way you can watch Liz and you can watch Ruby and yours truly. And we're just gonna kind of I'm working with Ruby, getting her to stay put also, because she's very high strung. She gets excited, got a lot of energy. She's a big dog with long legs. We just got in from running outside in the heat. So hopefully I drained some energy out of her. But, you ready, babe? We'll see how Ruby does and see how Liz, look at her. Man, she's doing good. All right. Good. Up. Up. Good. Down. Now down. Stay. Stay. So all I'm doing is when Ruby gets up, I'm just vibrating the collar. Stay. Until she goes back to where I want her. And rewarding her, nope. Rewarding her when she goes back to where I want her. Stay. Now if she stays, I tell her, good girl. Good girl means you're going to get paid for doing what I ask. Good. Stay. Now when you first start, good. Stay. When you first start, you're probably only going to get one step away at the most. A lot of times they will jump off as soon as you move your foot. Good. Down. Good. Stay. But when you can start coming about this far away, that's when the progress is really getting made. Stay. Come. Come. Down. Good girl. Heel. Place. Down. Stay. So when I do this, good. Good. I'll do a few reps back and forth, tell them they're good, and then I bring them down, do a couple more things. I don't want to just leave them sitting up there getting bored so their mind can wander. I want them to keep paying attention to what we're doing. I also, stay. I also like to teach the down command before I start teaching a dog how to stay. It just makes it easier. Because obviously, good, stay. If they can be in a down, then it's a lot easier for them to stay. See, right there, she chose to just go into a down position. Stay. And just so you know, little Liz here, she doesn't even have a remote collar on her now. Come. Come. Down. See, now I can give them both treats and I'll have them jumping up, back, down. Not have them both being rude and jumping over and trying to get the other one's treat. Good. Stay. Good. Down. Down. Good. Nope. Down. Stay. Nope. Stay. 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 So we practice opening the door, practice making this, knocking on the door. I don't have a doorbell on here, I kind of wish I did. Stay. So I know a lot of people, this is something that everybody wants their dog to be able to do, is just stay when you tell them to stay. This is how I do it. As you can see, it takes a little time. It takes a little time. Don't get discouraged. She's seeing food on the ground. Nope. Yeah. It just takes some work. You got to keep putting them back, putting them back, putting them back. It's just like teaching a sit, teaching a come. It's everything. It's just repetition. Don't get upset, don't get mad. It's not gonna happen overnight. It takes a little while. But it is the #1 way to teach a dog to calm down. When you can put them somewhere and tell them to stay, there's nothing that works better to cure that insane hyperactivity when dogs are just constantly hyper, constantly can't lay down, constantly panting. This is the best thing to do. And you notice these dogs are calm and laying down. Dogs in the kennels aren't barking either. Now, if these dogs are going crazy or wrestling around and doing what dogs do, what I let them do outside, these other two dogs would be losing their minds in the kennel. So there is a good look of what I've been working on with Ruby. I'm having a heck of a time with these dogs. Ah, come on. Nope. Come on. Get up there. Come on. Come on. Goes off of it every time I'm about to end the video. I got to end the video on a good note. So right now she's doing good. She's nice and calm. She's laying there. I hope this was helpful for people. I try to not just show people, you know, the beginning and the end. I try to help people learn how to teach their own dog too. I would love it if people would just watch these videos and just tried to mimic what I do. If they don't work, then maybe there might be somebody else out there who has a better method, but this works pretty good for me and I've stuck with it. And this with Ruby, I've really been working on her on this for about 4 days. Like, really been pounding it. So yeah, she's doing great, and she's not messing with Liz. She's not messing with the other dogs. She's not jumping on me. She looks perfectly content, and that's what I like. The next video will be with Puppers the Pit Bull coming up next.